Welcome to your training on the power of clean hands. The National Institutes of Health have determined that a sneeze can travel up to 27 feet. In this training, you will learn when hand washing is required, the steps of proper hand washing, why hand washing hygiene is critical to disease prevention. Hand washing is required in the following situation: before and after patient contact, after touching potentially contaminated surfaces or bodily fluids, and before performing aseptic tasks. Viruses can travel quickly and land on multiple surfaces, which allows the spread of diseases. To prevent the spread of disease, we need to properly wash our hands. Let's review the 5 steps of proper hand washing. Step 1. Rinse your hands under running water. Step 2. Apply soap generously, between fingers, and around the wrists. Step 3. Scrub all hand and wrist surfaces for at least 30 seconds. Step 4. Rinse your hands and surfaces well under running water. Step 5. Thoroughly dry your hands using a clean towel or air dryer. Let's review the steps to proper hand washing. 1. Rinse with water. 2. Apply soap generously. 3. Scrub for 30 seconds. 4. Rinse thoroughly. 5. Dry hands fully. A few reasons why hand hygiene is critical to prevent diseases are: data proves that more than 160,000 Americans die from an infectious disease each year. About 1.8 million children under the age of 5 die each year from diarrheal diseases or pneumonia. Hand hygiene is important because it can prevent over 20% of respiratory infections, like pneumonia. Also, hand washing can prevent over 30% of diarrhea-related illnesses. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, research proves that washing hands is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of diseases and infections. At Unity Health, let's all follow the steps of proper hand hygiene and do our part to stop the spread of disease and keep everyone healthier. Thank you for joining us. Unity Healthcare Infectious Health Training.